Want to unlock the power of SMS for your business or project? Let's dive into how to create a Plivo SMS account in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Plivo.com. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner. Fill in your details, your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Plivo. Click the verification link inside to activate your account. This is a crucial step to ensure your account is valid. Once verified, log into your Plivo dashboard. You'll be greeted with an overview of your account. Now, to send and receive SMS messages, you'll need to acquire a Plivo phone number. Navigate to the Numbers section, usually found on the left-hand menu. Here, you can search for available phone numbers based on your location or specific area code. Choose a number that suits your needs and click Buy. Plivo requires you to verify your identity to prevent fraud. This usually involves submitting documentation, such as a government ID or business registration, so follow the prompt and upload the documents requested. Once your documents are submitted, the verification process can take a few business days. Will receive an email notification once it's complete. After verification, your newly acquired phone number will be visible in the Numbers section. You're now ready to configure your SMS settings and start sending and receiving messages. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more in-depth guides on using Plivo's features.